sorry, but all of our casts failed because they're being idiotic. Mostly it is because our lead role, Jenna Rose, couldn't see, even though we poked eye holes in it. Like, see, like right there and there. I can see perfectly. And a guy got mad. We were originally gonna do 2 boys, but one got mad and he decided not to play. The other one just got tired, so I'm sorry. We'll try to finish it later. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Don't forget the music! Go on! Owen! What are you doing? What? The red button started. Can't remember what you said.
You say.